Today, we're reacting to an awesome superhero animal slide game where each hero faces tricky obstacles and tries to rescue trapped kids. Please like and subscribe the channel.
Help me, please! Mommy, help me! Help me!
Oh.
Oh no, look at the baby. He's crying inside that cage. Poor little hero. Wait, did you see Hulk's face? He's angry. That cage doesn't stand a chance. Superman's flying in. He's checking the area, scanning the cage with his laser vision. Bro, the teamwork here is crazy. Hulk smashes the wall while Superman breaks the lock.
Huh?
Man, this is so wholesome but epic at the same time. They're not just heroes, they're dads on a mission. The baby looks so happy now, Aw. But did you notice the villains hiding behind them? I bet there's another twist coming. Maybe another trap.
Okay, let's go!
Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
Okay.
Okay, let's go! Huh?
Wow, that was amazing! Superheroes saving their own kid. I loved it. Let me know in the comments who you think did the best rescue move, Hulk's smash or Superman's laser break. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. We've got more superhero reactions coming soon.